What's going on tonight, YouTube? I hope you're having a fantastic night tonight. As always, I'm checking out a band. First time listen here. It's called Good Terms. No idea what to expect, but the song is Cough. I've heard a lot of people say it went viral on like some TikToks or something. I don't know how long ago it was at this point, but yeah, I'm not in the TikTok world, so I have no idea. But I'm very curious, as always, to listen to something new. We got some patrons to shout out. We have James, Michael, Charles, Jacob, and Matt. Thank you all so very much. You know why we're here. Let's get right into it.
I just wanna cough. The shit that I've been sucking off isn't strong enough. I think I've had too much. I'm tired of this fucking fucking high.
Vocals are very contagious already.
These habits I'm not so proud of. These habits I'm not so proud of.
Okay. Jamming. Love that bass tone.
Every fucking day makes me feel like everything is okay. Makes me feel like I got something to say. So I start smoking pot, but every single thought that I allowed to tear myself down.
Okay, this vibe is amazing.
That I never fought hard enough to get
Very throwback feeling.
I just wanna cough. The shit that I've been sucking off isn't strong enough. I think it's
Yes.
too much. I'm tired of this fucking fog and hiding stuff from my mom. These habits I'm not so proud of.
Okay. Certified jammer already.
Habits I'm not so proud of.
I love this guy's voice.
What's the point? I barely feel any joy. Uninspired and unemployed. Last month I cried cleaning up.
Guitar so chill. Bass is incredible.
On a weekday, stuck in VA as my childhood replayed. Stuck away to get wasted. In this home I wasted. Can I go back to my lonely basement? Back to the life I forgot.
That's sick.
The time that I lost. Try again from the top.
Fucking jam.
I traded all. I just want
Screams back there. Oh, heck yeah.
I just wanna cough. The shit that I've been sucking off isn't strong enough.
A little bit of piano in there.
I'm tired of this fucking fog and hiding. I just wanna cough. The shit that I've been sucking off isn't strong enough. I think I've had too much. I'm tired of this fucking fog and hiding.
Yo, what a good time. What a jam.
These habits I'm not so proud of. These habits I'm not so proud of.
Ah.
I just wanna.
Oh, that was good. I thought it was over. Nice. Instrumentation on point. That was sick. Dude, they killed that. I already want to hear it again. It was so fun. Man. Okay. This band, Good Terms. They bring good vibes, I can tell you that. This song, Cough, was a jammer. I have no idea where this would have blown up on social media, just because when someone says something is like a TikTok song, I assume it's just some generic pop or something that sounds good, but it's, you know, just very generic mainstream. This is so throwback. This is so feel good. This is awesome. I love the sound of this. It reminds me of other bands that deliver super fun sounds, like maybe Action Adventure, or even the first thing that popped in my head was Simple Plan, although people say I say Simple Plan all the time. That's just one of those bands that I listened to as a kid that sounded like this, I think, and I love it, dude. Total jammer. Their vocalist, very unique voice. I love when a band has a very distinct vocalist, because I feel like if I hear another song from this band, I'm gonna immediately know it's Good Terms just based on that guy's voice. Great singing voice. The instrumental was so fun, you know, the drums just freaking popping off. I love the dudes all in sort of sync, just slamming around with their guitars, the bass tones, everything was so awesome. There was a little bit of, I think, piano in there as well. I love the brief break at one point in the song where it just got really chill, slowed way down, and then the teaser like fade out where they just came back in and went off even harder with some screams, I think. I mean, it was just a really cool song, super fun, total jammer. I already want to hear it again, so I mean, would I listen to it again? I think this is gonna be on repeat for a little bit, just because it's really good vibes. I mean, I don't think I would listen to it at the gym or anything, but dude, it's sometimes when not everything has to be heavy. Sometimes songs can just be feel good, and you just want to hear them, just have a good time. And this is one of those songs. Like, I already want to go hear it again because it just made me feel good. It was awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.